Are you ready to dive into the vibrant live music scene of Amsterdam? Let's explore two of the city's most iconic venues, Paradiso and Melkweg. At White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam, we've been guiding travelers to the best spots in the city for years. Whether you're a seasoned concert goer or just dipping your toes into the world of live music, understanding these venues can elevate your Amsterdam experience. Let's start with Paradiso. Nestled in a former church, this venue offers a divine acoustics and an intimate atmosphere. Here, you'll witness a diverse array of performances, from indie rock bands to world-renowned DJs. Paradiso's architecture and history give it a unique charm, making every concert feel like a special occasion. Don't forget to check their schedule. With ticket prices starting at just €15, there's something for every budget and musical taste. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find Melkweg. Originally a dairy factory, it has transformed into a cultural hotspot, hosting not only music but also film, theatre, and art exhibitions. The venue boasts multiple halls, each offering a distinctive vibe. Whether you're into electronic beats, hip-hop, or alternative rock, Melkweg has it all. Tickets here are also quite affordable, often starting around €20. Both Paradiso and Melkweg are more than just venues, they're cultural landmarks that embody Amsterdam's eclectic and dynamic spirit. They provide a platform for both emerging talents and established artists, ensuring that there's always something exciting happening. So, plan your visit, explore these legendary spots, and immerse yourself in the pulsating energy of Amsterdam's live music scene. For more details and to catch the latest events, remember to check out the link in the description. Let's make your 2024 unforgettable with live music in Amsterdam.